Getting 10,000 plus points in Block Blast in 2025 is totally doable, but it requires strategy, patience, and smart placement. So here, all you have to do is clear multiple lines at once. Set up the board so multiple lines will complete when you place one block. Filling in corners early gives you more room in the middle. Prioritize placing block in the bottom left and the bottom right corners, or the top left and top right. Keep the middle open for large or odd shaped pieces later. As you can see, it gives 3 puzzles. You will need to make sure that all of your 3 puzzles are fit in this block first of all. If they do not, then find a way to clear this puzzle and put the another one. So here, as you can see, first of all I'll check if my first block will fit in or not, and if this clears up, then only I'll keep the other block, and that is it. By following this process, you will definitely make it up to 10,000 points. Make tiny holes if you can't fail, placing blocks that block 2 potential moves, and ignoring the board's top half and suddenly having no room can trap you. Always leave at least one 3:3 space or 5:1 row or column and one corner else short. So high score depends on early setups. If your first few blocks force you into cramped shape, pause, restart. You are better off rebuilding a high potential board as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.